Here's Bridget's first time handling the fork all by herself. Here we go. She's interested. She's happy. Oh, look at that. Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? Put it in your mouth. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. It's like a sword full of turkey and beans. Eat it. Eat it. No, you're supposed to eat it. No? Here, watch this. Here you go. We'll give you a little spoon. Here. You want it? You want to hold it? No? Oh, there you go. It's all yours. What you gonna do with it? Letting you have the spoon. Yeah? You're just gonna chew on it, huh? Alright, we'll try this again when some action happens. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. Hi, say dada. Dada. Say mama. 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 Baby. Okay.